Can't even tell if I'm recording her at all.
Okay, Sam. Good. Yes, sir. Good, good, good. Good. So sit and squeeze at the same time. Sit and squeeze, sit and squeeze, sit and squeeze. Don't pull. Sit and squeeze, sit and squeeze. Out on the rail. Sit and squeeze. And trot. And hand on, go. Center. Good. Good. Both hands towards the rail, not in, out. That's a girl. Good. That's better. Now you've got to think a little more forward. Think almost a half seat while you're cantering. Try and get your butt out of the saddle a little. Canter. Canter, do not run me off of the fence. Really?